First you have to prepare the base in the pot for making it to retain the wetness. First fill up with the soil, then put some quantity of coir. This coir will help in retaining the wetness for a longer period. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are planning to grow our own seeds for onion. Okay, how onion seeds will be made in the farm will be in a bigger way, but here for our own purpose, for the rooftop gardening, we are making a small experiment over here. This is the replica of whatever farmers do in the farm, agriculture farm.
Go.
Now what we will do, we have taken very big and good quality onion. This onion will be cut into half like this. This half onion can be made use for day-to-day use. Now what we will do, this onion we are going to put it here. For this pot we can put 3 onions side by side and put some fresh soil over this. And this soil, whatever we are using, is of compost mixed soil, and it is black cotton soil which is available in North Karnataka. Okay, after this what we will do, we will water the area. Stop. Watering this pot. And this plant needs at least twice or thrice a week, and once it grows well, it needs minimum 3 times watering per week, and this will take at least 3.5 to 4 months for flowering, and then seeds will be formed in the flower.